What's up, everybody? It's Max Kicking again. Welcome to another video. And Thor's trying to get that dog that's all the way back there. If you see him. I'm just chilling with Thor right here. Thor, get your butt over here. Hey, bad. A bitch is bad and bougie. Yo, homie. Come on, chill out for a sec. YouTube wants to see you. They love you. Come on, buddy. Chill. Ooh, it's right there. That's a good boy. Whatever y'all do, just don't treat him bad. You got no reason. They're lovable. Oh yeah, if y'all don't know what type of dog that is, it's a bully pit. Say hello, Babash. Say hello. Hey. Say it. Tired? Alright. I guess that's it for you, Thor. Good boy. That's it, guys. Peace.